Okay, how to use the vending machine. You put the money in.
Okay, you want this one.
Okay. Then you push the button.
Okay, can you make, I will put this onto here and try and get it then.
Oh, George the pig has come out. Hey. You got George the pig from the vending machine. Here, one more. You put the money in.
Put the money in.
And then push the button.
Push the button.
Okay, beep. See that beep?
Beep, 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 beep. Okay, turn it around. Okay, turn it around. Turn it around, Peter.
It's the vending machine. It's not a gasa machine. You don't need to turn it. Okay, what's coming up next?
Yay! You got this. You really like this.
You got a Mr. Bean teddy bear.
It's not Mr. Bean teddy bear.
What's his name, Peter? What's the teddy bear's name?
Mr. Bean teddy bear.
Mr. Bean teddy bear. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, look at all the babies. What a select. You got baby Emily, got baby Ariel, and we got a frog and a guinea pig, a teddy bear, and a Batman at the bottom. Whoa, I bet this vending machine will be empty by the end of the day. It's riding.